Stop chasing magical overnight wealth from AI tools. Earning a reliable $1,000 a month requires a mechanical, disciplined business system. This schematic represents that architecture. It is divided into 3 revenue pillars: $600 from services, $200 from products, and $200 from content. Open a blank document right now. We are going to build your version of this framework together. Before we can fill those pillars, you must tune out the noise of 100 different tools and establish a single foundational skill to support them. AI provides the speed, but a disciplined business architecture provides the actual revenue. The quickest way to fail is trying to learn every new app that launches. Tool overload paralyzes most beginners before they even begin. Avoid that trap by applying the rule of 1. Choose one specific service that businesses already pay for, like AI video editing, automation, or research, and master it exclusively for the next 30 days. Traditional resumes are largely ignored in the AI space. Your competence must be proven. A tangible portfolio is the only reliable metric for that. This workspace layout shows your foundational asset. Your portfolio must contain 3 sample projects, 1 case study, and 1 clear before and after demonstration. Use AI as a tool to enhance your final output. If you select video editing, edit 3 short videos. Show how AI fixes the pacing, improves the captions, and increases the overall quality. Go to your document, write down your single chosen skill, and list the 3 specific practice projects you are going to create. Without a portfolio, you are just a theorist. Proof of work is the only currency that commands trust from a cold market. Step 2 is getting your first client. Start by reaching out to local businesses, independent creators, or busy coaches who need immediate help. The critical error most beginners make is selling the novelty of AI. Clients do not care what software you use. They care about solving a problem. This comparison shows the difference. Pitching the left side fails by focusing on technology. The right side succeeds by guaranteeing a concrete deliverable. Securing 2 clients at $300 each satisfies the first $600 of your architecture. Switch back to your document. Write down your target client persona and draft your outcome-based pitch. People only pay to save time or generate money. Your application of AI must do one of those 2 things. Servicing clients creates a time-for-money trap. If you stop here, you will hit a hard ceiling on your income. This node diagram shows breaking the ceiling through asset conversion. Package your custom client workflow into a sellable digital product, like a template. Map out your first product idea on your document. This asset secures the next $200 of your system. Building assets requires time. You earn that time by using AI to automate repetitive tasks, like client onboarding, research, and file organization. Funnel those reclaimed hours into building a public audience on a single, focused platform. Build genuine authority by sharing your process. Post your case studies, practical productivity tips, and honest tool reviews. Write down your content platform and commit to a schedule of 1 post per week. Over time, as views accumulate and you integrate affiliate links or ad revenue, this pillar contributes the final $200 needed to reach the $1,000 target. Client services generate immediate cash. Digital assets generate long-term wealth. You need both to construct a resilient AI business. Look at the document you just built. You have selected a skill, planned your portfolio, drafted your pitch, outlined a product, and committed to a content schedule. You have moved past vague tech overwhelm. You now possess a concrete 4-step execution framework. Now it is time to turn the engine on. Close this video and immediately start drafting your first portfolio piece. AI will never do the work for you. It functions as a force multiplier for the systems you are willing to build. Subscribe for more practical tech guides every week and get to work.